Hello, I'm Bryan Hill, County Executive of Fairfax County. This has been a difficult year for our families and neighbors, but especially for those who have lost loved ones to COVID-19. We've worn masks, stayed away from friends and family, missed birthday parties, weddings, and graduations, all in an effort to limit the spread of this deadly disease. Finally, there is a light at the end of the tunnel in the form of life-saving vaccine. These vaccines will limit the spread of COVID-19 and have the potential to end the pandemic. But the vaccine will only work if you take it. Just remember, vaccines don't save lives, vaccinations do. We have seen COVID-19 hit black, brown, and all people particularly hard at a time when we are all developing a deeper understanding of the impact racism and inequality has had on our communities. This long history reaches across all issues, including medical care, making it difficult for some to trust the safety of these new vaccines. But please be assured that the COVID-19 vaccines follow the same scientific and approval process that any vaccine would require in the United States. When it is my turn to take the vaccine, I will take it for my 84-year-old mother, my 3 sons, and for my community. And I implore you all to join me. As we wait to be vaccinated, please continue to mask up, wash your hands, and understand we must all be on the same page as we have lost too many during this pandemic. The opportunity is now. Be selfless and work toward our common goal, the eradication of COVID-19, 20 and 21. We can save lives and end this pandemic, so mask up.